welcome to my YouTube channel. And this particular video I'll be sharing with you the latest updates on the Rubi mining. If you are mining Ruby, you just have to watch the particular video today because I'll be sharing you two particular updates which you need to know, and also I'll be telling you when their listing will be coming up on our platform. It is possible, that means the sex centralizes where it is possible. If you haven't watched my previous video where I discussed a lot more about Ruby and the price that should be listed, I'll be dropping those videos in the description of this particular video. Please make sure you watch them and also click on the bell notification so and you could see here. But before I showed you this particular update I'm about to show you, let me quickly show you one which you just need to know. It is based on the Rubi KYC update. Yes, it will be happening live this month or possibly next month, because in this particular on May 21st, this was what they posted on their X account, and you just have to read quietly here that when will KYC 1.6 be active, which is what we are expecting. You could see the response here was around June to July is the code, and they say mostly mid-June. So start checking your Ruby app every time to see if you have been invited, and if you don't know what to do for you to get invited, I've did a detailed video on those things that you just need to do for you to get early access invitation for KYC. You just have to watch it. I'll be dropping that video also in the description on the description of the particular video. And if you haven't started mining Ruby, please, I'll be dropping my referral link and my code so I could just start mine, because I believe in this project that they are going to do a lot. And some of their criteria before I leave is that you just have to mine. Let's dive in. Let's look at the criteria that you need to meet up with for your verification. Quickly, let's look, because you just have to have. So when you look at this particular section here, let's quickly look at the criteria. How you must have mined over 30 Ruby and expected about 30 Ruby and be consistent, then you get your invitation. Now, one thing that you need to do is that you have to buy Ruby as at now. To buy Ruby in your wallet, I mean this particular wallet, you just have to create it. You can buy and you can join my community, because I have some legit seller that are selling that you could buy it way more cheaper. And because currently Ruby is at around 0.25, then in my community you will be able to buy it more lesser than that from those who will be able to sell, because you just have to have some certain Ruby which you'll be giving to, which you'll be using for verification. These are what the validators will get. So the higher the amount of Ruby you provided, the higher your verification will be faster. So you just have to have between the range of 4 to 8 Ruby, yes, in your wallet that you'll be using for your validation. And another thing I would like to show you, let me quickly show you another update. So I'll be leaving the last update, I'll be leaving the best of the update for the last aspect of this particular video. You could see here that the community actually, the Ruby team actually asked that which sex exchange should they list, and you could see that here Binance was topping with 60%, and after that the next one that you could see was Bybit, which was 18, and in fact Binance really are smart then. Yeah, and currently the team says that Ruby hit 5 million miners. Yes, so as 10 million global miners, which of these essence do you? So and you will see now the mining, the users are actually, we are getting high. And one thing that you need to take cognizance of, which you need to look, is that immediately we hit at 10 million, there will be an halving from 0.625 that we are mining. We will go down to 0.3125, and as that immediately we can get to this, that I believe that is when this mining will be over and will be getting to listing time. Yes, it is possible, because it took them just few months before they get to 5 million. As new people are getting on board, getting registered, mining, so also the listing day, the TGE is getting closer. So if we hit the 10 million, I believe that the time of listening will actually get closer. That is what you need. You just need to focus on. If everybody is saying, okay, let them list. So you could see they say, let the campaign begins. Can we hit 10 million global miners in less than 2 months? This is the question. And let's say, like every striving Ruby ecosystem growth is no longer at linear path, but on an exponential curve. Thus, the ability to achieve the 10 million global miner is a matter of cumulative commitment. If we play our part, we have 10 million active global miners in less than 2 months. Do you look? So this is it. So, and as at that time, look at it, they say 10 million miners and head towards TGE next. What we just they need us to hit now, which is the requirement from the team to all the committee, is for us to just hit the 10 million miners. And after we hit the 10 million miner, then they say TGE is next. Yes, this is not just the opportunity for you to just get prepared and get waiting for the listening. So my suggestion is that if you have a spare money, a spare cash, please kindly make sure you continue to buy Ruby in store. Aside from your KYC that you'll be using it for, try to buy it in stock. You'll be selling it way more higher, because in my prediction and what I've seen is that Ruby is not getting listed less than $2. Yes, I'm not a financial advice, but with what I've seen, I see that these people are actually building a lot of things. So if you have spare money that you can let go at any time, just make sure you buy more Ruby in store as at this time, because when they get listed, Ruby will actually skyrocket. Let me show you the last update. So this is the last update on their verified Telegram app. You could see, look at this update. They say Ruby weekly update. They say Ruby price is on the rise. Yes, the price currently is increasing on a daily basis because they are getting to their listening time and for the KYC. So a lot of people are currently buying for KYC purpose. So it's building on the background. We believe that Ruby is going to be big. If team completes the rollout for the next upgrade, then we could expect P2P quadrupling the current price. You may not find Ruby at, look at this is the current price at, again, Ruby is heading somewhere between 0.9 cents and $1.25 in the coming days. Some people think that it took, so if you look at it with the rate at which Ruby, so if you're able to buy Ruby as at this price, I tell you, and you are able to say, or at this price at most, I tell you, you'll be making huge amount of money. You know, it all depends on the capital which you use to start. So if the video was really helpful, please kindly like, share, click on the bell notification so that you get notified anytime we upload another video. And also, I'll be waiting for comments on anything you need to ask me. Thank you. Bye bye for now.